So today I will be showing you how to make stretchy sprites in Scratch. Isn't that cool? You don't have to change and make it stretch in the costumes. You can just do it. You can just do it with code. And I'll show you how. So today I'll show you how to make stretchy sprites. I'm just gonna write the title Stretching Cat. Cool. Now let's delete the running cat, and now let's just make a square for the cat. We're gonna make it the square so it stretches. I'll show you how it's gonna do that. So we're just gonna make it invisible. Look, now you see the line. We're just gonna select it, and let's just move it with our arrow key so it's exactly on the Scratch Cat's feet. Now, the borderline, we don't want it to be seen in game. So let's just make it invisible. It's like we didn't even add the square yet. Now here's for the part we need to add. Let's add the green flag clicked, and then let's just add clear graphic effect. Well, in game, it would already, when it starts, it's already going to be stretched, maybe. I don't know. But something might happen. Let's just add a repeat 10 block, and yeah, let's duplicate that. Yeah, now we have 2 repeat blocks. For the first repeat block, I'm gonna add a change fisheye effect by 15. 15 is a good number. Now let's duplicate that, and let's do -15. Now let's see how it goes. Whoa, the Scratch Cat's stretching, literally. That's so cool. Just with code. Now, here's for the fun part. Don't we want a background or something? So, a ground for the thing. And you can make a different background than me if you want, okay? Let's just make a good ground. Let's change the color for it. Let's make it a saturated green. A bit saturated. Yeah, that looks good. Now let's for the sky. No, now it's he's on the ground. Oh, now that's a good color. Now let's just put it back. Oh, that looks so awesome. Let's just make it more saturated. Now we need a sun. Let's add a sun. But we should, here's a trick. You should hold shift. Shift. And then look, it makes a perfect circle. If you're doing a square, it makes a perfect square. And look, I'm just going to paint it yellow, and yeah, cool. Now let's see. Let's just full screen it, and let's see how it runs. First, let's just name the Scratch Cat. Now let's save it, and now let's see. Whoa, the Scratch Cat's stretching. This is the end for this video. Bye.